This video is going to show you a little bit about changing the color of shapes, which is really similar to changing the color of text if you watched that video. In the previous video, we learned how to make the shapes on an InDesign document. But just a little bit of information about color. This one works the same as the font. There's several different ways you can do it, and again, multiple effects you can have, so this will just be the basics here. You're going to want to make sure that your shape that you're coloring is selected. Use the direct selection tool. Click on the shape, so this one is selected. You're going to come over here to swatches, just like you did with text. And you have an option to do the fill of the shape or the outline. So I want to work with the fill. So I'm going to make sure the fill is selected up in that little box right there. Scroll down to whatever color you want, and you can fill it. You also have the option, though, just like you did with text, to come down to the bottom of the left toolbar and click on that square, and click on any other color that you want as well. When you do that, you have the option to change the transparency of color, which we mentioned on the tutorial sheet that most of you are probably using right now. To change the gradient or the transparency, it just means that you're basically changing the level at which you can see through the color of a shape. So up in your top menu bar, you're going to see a percentage value. You can click on that percentage value, and then there's going to be a little dial that moves back and forth, and you can watch that change. So that's going to be helpful for some of you, because in some places you're not going to want a super bold boxed color, but you might want the color just toned back a little bit. So that's what that can help you with. And just like the font as well, you can choose to outline your shape. So you would just switch which box it's working with down here. Click your outline color, and you're good to go.